Recursion is a programming technique that involves a function calling itself. It's a powerful tool that can simplify complex problems, but it can also be tricky to understand. Here's an example of how recursion works. Let's say we want to calculate the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number is the product of all positive integers up to and including that number. To calculate the factorial of a number using recursion, we define the function in terms of itself. We first check if the number is equal to 1. If it is, we return 1. This is the base case for the recursion. If the number is not equal to 1, we return the number multiplied by the factorial of the number minus 1. This is the recursive case, where the function calls itself with a smaller value of the number. The recursion continues until the base case is reached, at which point the function returns the final result. Recursion can be a bit difficult to wrap your head around, but it can be a powerful tool for solving complex problems. Just remember to always include a base case to avoid infinite recursion.